when you hurt somebody without intention, and if you know that you hurt, just say sorry for that. Try to get forgiveness from that person. That's what you can do. Okay? Don't feel shy. Asking sorry. Telling sorry. Okay? But this one word sorry can help you a lot. But when you are hurting somebody, some negative energy will start coming from that person, because that person will not bless you. Just now I was talking how we can get this energy. We take energy from different way. From food we receive energy, from breath we receive energy, from meditation or prayer we receive cosmic energy, and from blessing we receive the cosmic energy. Like somebody say all the best to you, you receive the cosmic energy. Same way, the way somebody is telling all the best, somebody will become upset for you, with you, and he will not bless you. He will send the negative energy to you, not the blessing, not the positive energy, not the cosmic energy. In that case, your positive energy will reduce. So when you are hurting somebody and he is becoming upset, he will bless you? No. He will not bless. He will start shouting. All bad word he will start telling to you, not the good word. But when you tell sorry, when just wait and tell sorry, just say sorry, by mistake this has happened, then what will happen? All the bad word, the bad energy which was coming from his side will stop immediately. So you are protected. You are not receiving the negative energy. And as you are not receiving the negative energy now, your positive energy will be with you. It's very simple. Say for example, you have positive energy 50. You have negative energy 50. Both 50-50, fight will be more. I explained in my last question session how this happened. So I don't want to go over that detail. But say 50-50 both, fight will be more, because both is there inside. But you have 55 positive and 45 negative. So your success is going to increase. But today you had by mistake also, you had some fight with somebody. So that person is sending some negative energy. So instead of 45, it may become 46 or may become 50 also. Negative energy will increase. But when you say sorry, when you ask for forgiveness, immediately this negativity which is coming towards you, stop. So don't hesitate. Don't feel shy when you are saying sorry. Saying sorry is a good thing. So just tell and move from there. Finish that. The link, negative, positive, this side going, this side coming, something coming from somewhere, something going to somewhere. Stop that connection. Okay? And enjoy your energy. Today you do the prayer, you increase your energy. And tomorrow you had some fight with somebody, you reduce your energy. Why? Because negative energy again increased. I see many people, they ask this question. I am doing meditation, I am doing prayer, but I am not seeing success. Often this question comes. Why that happens? Because you are not able to increase your positive energy. Today you are doing meditation, today you are doing prayer, and tomorrow you had some fight. So today you are taking positive energy, tomorrow you are taking negative energy. So what is happening? Positive and negative both is going. So where you are, you stay there same place. For your success, your positive energy has to go high. For your failure, your Negative energy has to become high. Then only failure will come. Both will not go together. Anyone will go high and other will become low. And it's in your hand. God has given full charge to you to increase your positive energy or negative energy. So when you meditate, when you do the prayer, when you help somebody, you receive positive energy. When you create problem for somebody, when you do fighting with somebody, when you do the negative talk, negative discussion with somebody, you increase your negative energy. So you decide what you want. Success in your life, happiness in your life, for you, for your family, or problem in your life. Both going to depend on you.
Thank you for watching us. Do subscribe for more such videos. Also, do not forget to ping us to join spiritual journey with Pran Shakti family.